True really does want to take care of his people.
This is really a good company to work for.
It's just a great place to work. It's a great environment.
True actually cares about me and my family.
We've got a great dynamic in our department. Actually, we really work for teamwork.
No one feels left out. Everybody feels like a community and a family.
But the managers that I've worked with, they listen to you, they want your opinion, they want you to engage, they want you to succeed.
I think it just starts at the top. When you have your supervisor's supervisor, our plant managers who are constantly there for them, it shows and leads such a good example for them to be there for the team members as well.
Whenever my children say, what do? Here's what I do, and I can show them the true emblem. In addition to that, show them the insert. I probably made this.
I talk about it with pride because I do take pride in working for this kind of a company.
If you want to learn something, ask your managers. There's always room to grow here.
True actually gave me the chance to float around here in the office while I was still in the factory. And that's kind of what motivated me to obviously come up here to the office.
All around, True really does listen to us, and I think that keeps me here, keeps me interested, keeps me wanting to stay.
If you come in every single day and you're willing to learn, you want to work, you want to be here, you're going to be noticed.
There's a lot of companies where you go and you work at and you're a number to them. Here it's I'm not a number, I'm John.
You want to come to a job where it doesn't feel like a job, and True offers that opportunity. All you got to do is come.